Hi guys, welcome to secondopinion.ph, also known as 2.0. I'm Alex and today we will be talking about OPPO's newest mid-range smartphone, the Reno4, the successor of the Reno3, which was only released a few months ago and was mainly loved because of its camera. Now let's take a look at the Reno4 and see how it may be perfect for those aspiring creators. Now let's unbox this. We have the user guide and warranty card, then the ejector pin. Then we have the phone and the Type-C cable and 30-watt charger. We have the galactic blue with an all-new Reno glow that sparkles while maintaining its matte and smudge-proof finish. It's really light and slim but feels substantial enough in the hand. On its right, it has the power button, while on the left, it has a volume rocker and card tray for 2 nano SIM cards. On the bottom, it has the speakers, USB Type-C port, microphone, and headphone jack. The speakers support Dolby Atmos and produce great mids and high frequency. Not bad lows as well, but I wish it had an extra boost for its volume. Up front, the Reno4 is equipped with a 6.4-inch dual punch-hole AMOLED screen. We have the 32-megapixel selfie camera. On the back, we have the 48MP main lens, an 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens, 2MP macro lens, and 2MP mono lens, which I didn't even notice at first because of its small size. I personally enjoy using the AI color portrait that turns the background into black and white. However, there were a few inconsistencies when the subject's clothing matches the background. All your photos and videos can be edited with the free Soloop Smart Editing software included with the phone. The Reno4 is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G processor with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. In terms of battery, the Reno4's 30-watt VOOC 4.0 can charge the phone to 50% in just 20 minutes and reach a full 100% charge in less than an hour, 57 minutes to be exact. It also runs in ColorOS 7.2. It has pre-installed apps like OPPO Relax to help you meditate and do breathing exercises with different themes that would best fit your mood. It also has OPPO Lab, where you can make yourself your own ringtone, and a decision spinner when you can't decide what to do or if you want to play spin the bottle with your friends. For its security features, it houses an in-display fingerprint scanner which works fine, and facial recognition which reacts pretty quick too. It also has 3 smart lock features. First, the on-body detection to keep the phone unlocked and to unlock immediately once set down or placed on a table. This, however, was a bit inconsistent as it doesn't lock the phone every time it's set down. Secondly, the trusted place, which leaves your phone unlocked depending on your location. Lastly, the trusted devices option keeps it unlocked if it detects another gadget near connected through Bluetooth. Another smart feature is the smart air control to scroll up and down to navigate on apps like TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Phone calls can be answered with the same gesture. However, it's not yet perfect because sometimes it doesn't respond, but when it does, it's actually pretty cool. The Reno4 is priced at $18,990 with a flagship camera and other creative features that can be used by creators or those aspiring to be. It also comes with a mid-range processor, Dolby Atmos, and an AMOLED screen. It has a lot of smart features and still needs a lot of improvement. However, these won't really affect one's day-to-day usage of often used functions. If you have any questions, feel free to leave it on the comment section down below or on our website secondopinion.ph. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I'm Alex and I'll see you guys soon.